Hi, this is John with WTI, and summer is coming. This is a great moment to wear this fragrance. So, I own a personal business of detailing perfumes, and this is one of my favorite ones and one of my best sellers. This is a Rihanna Reb'L. This is great. So, people would think, okay, it's a designer fragrance, it's not going to do too much for it. But when people try it, and the people that are given this gift, of this perfume, they just love it. And personally, someone wears this, I really like it. This has a great coconut smell at the end. The dry down is great, the longevity is great, and the concentration. This is an eau de parfum, so it means that it's gonna last longer on your skin. And whenever you're trying to wear a fragrance like this, you just smell like luxury. This Rihanna Rebel is just a great, awesome perfume that is gonna last long, great dry down, and great projection. So people are gonna smell it from different places, and they're just going to love it. So if you're giving a gift to your special friend, family, or someone who is going to be in their late 30s, 20s, and this is versatile, this is a great one. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.